Amen. Lord, source of all blessings, may you continue our celebrants, especially these couples who are celebrating their wedding anniversaries today. Lord, whatever intentions they have right now, may you continue to pour out your blessings upon them. Give them a strength, physically, emotionally, psychologically, and most of all, spiritually, in order to be courageous and strong in life. Lord, continue to use them as an instrument of your blessings, aside from their families, their community, and wherever they are, Lord. May you continue to shower, Lord, your blessings upon them. And we ask this with your mighty name. Amen.
Happy birthday, Tita.